Chef Terry. Welcome to Culinary 101. Today, we're going to disassemble one of these. You need a couple pieces of equipment. First, good sharp knife. You can use a serrated if you want, if your chef knife is not as sharp as it should be from lack of maintenance and such like that. Then, yeah, go ahead and use your serrated. The other thing, spoon. Last we saw this was scooping the meat out of an avocado. It's going to do something very similar. The other thing, trash can. That's down there. Okay, first step, we're going to trim off the ends. Then we're going to use the knife and just peel off the skin of the cantaloupe, like this. You notice how I kind of overlap a little bit, so I'm cutting not right where the skin is. I'm kind of cutting off a little bit more of the green. And that's the key point of this, is just to get all the green off of it. This technique can be used for any melon. Like I said, just make sure you get all the green. If you miss a little bit, just shave it off with a knife. Check the bottom side. I didn't do too good. I got a little bit of green here. There, it's ready. This can go to the trash. Next step, I'm going to cut end to end, directly in half. So from here, just take the big spoon and just scoop out those seeds. They can go into the trash too. I'll be back in a sec. And same thing for the other one. Again, just kind of scoop right in, get all the seeds, all that, and pop it right out. I'm just going to scrape the rest of this into the trash. Okay, I'm back. So if you wanted to, say, slice this for melon wedges and stuff like that, you can just go like this. Very simple. And I'm going to do something very similar to that, but I want chunks. And you'll notice, if you've seen my dicing an onion video, this is very similar to the third technique that I showed. I cut off the ends, I made slices, and then I'm going to come back in here and cut towards the center. There, very simple. And we could do it the other way too. Just cut that radially. And then cut the chunks off. The last two ways, doesn't matter. You get the same results. So that's how you carve up a melon. This may be a little bit beyond the scope of this video and the scope of and the skills of many people. But okay, I'll show you, but I have to do it in about 2 minutes. So pay attention. I hope you enjoyed this. Go ahead and like, subscribe, hit the notification bells. It's always good. Always, smash everything down there. Leave a comment. Oh, don't hit the dislike. No dislike. But go ahead, leave a comment, and tell me what else you'd like to know. If there's a technique that always has evaded you, well, if I know it, I will share it. Thanks. See you next time. Well, you'll see me next time. Bye.